Advance your personal growth with these 5 key principles. You might know that personal development is a lifelong process. It's a fact that no one can be perfect, and so you are. Making mistakes and errors is okay, as it happens to the best of us. But learning from them is a true success. And you can do that by investing in your continuous learning that evolves you both personally and professionally. Thinking about how you're gonna do that? Simply by your dedication, awareness and application of some key principles. In this video, we'll explore the 5 principles of personal development that you can use in your growth journey and improve yourself. So, let's dive in. You cannot better yourself unless and until you invest in lifelong learning. It's the main secret to your growth. So, never stop learning at any stage of your life. Instead, embrace the continuous learning process with all your heart and mind. Constantly seek knowledge to develop your expertise to experience new things. Be willing to adapt innovative ideas and perspectives. This principle works wonders in your life and takes you a step closer to your success with each passing day. Revising goals is the second principle that brings change in your personal development. You know what? Clear, actionable, and achievable goals are the keystone in your self-improvement. However, setting smart goals and regularly revisiting and adjusting them helps you adapt to changing circumstances. The best part? It aligns your goals with your unfolding vision and ensures your continuous progress. Isn't it incredible? Think about what makes you keep going on a challenging path. A motivation, a focus and a growth mindset, right? But all these things require discipline in your life. So, practice self-discipline to stay focused and motivated towards your goals. Do what needs to be done even when feeling low and lazy. Besides this, developing habits that support your goals makes your journey easier. Not just habits but surrounding yourself with positive influences is a great way for self-improvement. Interaction with people who have a positive attitude and growing mindset makes a big difference in your life. Choose the group that inspires you, supports you and challenges you to be the best version of yourself. Remember, positive influence motivates you to explore and reach new heights of success because great minds think alike. Growth wouldn't be possible if you neglect your health and overall well-being. A stressed mind and weak body can't do enough and struggle to achieve goals. Therefore, prioritize your physical and mental health to go a long way. Exercise, a nutritious diet, good sleep and mind-relaxing practices like mindfulness and meditation make your brain work better and think better. So, reflect on the growth process, take responsibility for your actions and goals, discipline yourself, sit with great minds and take care of yourself.